Discover the beauty of the Turkish language. Learn with passion. Grow with knowledge. Turkish Language Academy. Learn Turkish with us.
Have you ever heard a Turkish sentence that ends with Neyesi? It sounds mysterious, right? But this tiny word can completely change the meaning of a question. In Turkish, Neyesi is used to challenge, to criticize, or to ask, what part of it? What aspect of it? But it's not as simple as it sounds today. I'll show you exactly how Turks use Neyesi in real conversations, why it often carries an emotional tone, and how one small word can express surprise, annoyance, or disbelief. If you want to understand Turkish like a native, don't miss this. Let's dive into the world of Neyesi. Meaning and usage. Literal meaning, rare. In very old or poetic Turkish, Neyesi could mean which part of something or what feature. But in modern Turkish, this form is rarely used literally. Common colloquial meaning. In everyday speech, Neyesi güzel or Neyesi var are very common expressions. Here, Neyesi roughly means what part of it? What's so about it? What is there to? What quality does it have that? It's often used to question or criticize something that another person seems to like or praise. Common expressions with examples. Neyesi güzel. Neyesi güzel. What's so beautiful about it? Bu filmin neyesi güzel? Anlamadım. Bu filmin neyesi güzel? Anlamadım. I don't understand what's so good about this movie. Neyesi var? Neyesi var? What's wrong with it? Or sometimes, what's so special about it? Depending on tone. Bu elbisenin neyisi var? Gayet güzel. Bu elbisenin neyisi var? Gayet güzel. What's wrong with this dress? It's perfectly fine. Bu yemeğin neyisi güzel? Çok tuzlu olmuş. Bu yemeğin neyisi güzel? Çok tuzlu olmuş. What's so nice about this dish? It's too salty. Neyesi eksik? Neyesi eksik? What does it lack or what's missing? Bu planın neyisi eksik? Her şey hazır. Bu planın neyisi eksik? Her şey hazır. What's missing from this plan? Everything is ready. Neyesi kötü? Neyesi kötü? What's so bad about it? Bu evin neyisi kötü? Çok rahat ve geniş. Bu evin neyisi kötü? Çok rahat ve geniş. What's so bad about this house? It's very comfortable and spacious. Cultural and tone notes. The word neyesi often carries a tone of disbelief, criticism, or mild sarcasm. It's rarely used neutrally. You'll hear it when someone disagrees with praise or challenges an opinion. Example: Bu dizi çok güzel. Bu dizi çok güzel. This series is great. Neyesi güzel? Hep aynı şeyler. Neyesi güzel? Hep aynı şeyler. What's so great about it? It's always the same stuff. Mini diyalog. Bu arabayı çok beğendim. Bu arabayı çok beğendim. I really like this car. Neyesi güzel? Eski model bu. Neyesi güzel? Eski model bu. What's so nice about it? It's an old model. Grammar tip. The se ending here is the third-person possessive suffix, used after ni to create this questioning structure. Think of it as ne means what, ye is a connector, si is used for its. In this way, neyesi means it's what. You'll rarely see other forms like neyemiz or neyesiymiş. These are not standard in modern Turkish. English comparison. Similar English expressions include what's so great about it? What's wrong with it? What's missing? What's so bad about it? Quick recap. Criticizing praise. Neyesi güzel. Neyesi güzel. What's so good about it? Defending something. Neyesi var. Neyesi var. What's wrong with it? Neutral question. Neyesi eksik. Neyesi eksik. What's missing? Challenging negativity. Neyesi kötü. Neyesi kötü. What's so bad about it? That's it for today. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy for more fun lessons. Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.